that a word of threat or what? Do you know I can put Tinubu company on a shut down now as I'm standing before you?
Balance. Shebi, you see this work now. You dey look like child. We'll begin the cash out now. Woto.
But no negative back effect.
No, so far, make you play along with me. Anything way they do, me seriousness, just dey your face.
If me they talk, may you give me time to they talk. Man, I put on for their body.
No crash this work. Oh, go enter this kind of house.
Good, that was start for you.
Billy 10K.
Thank you.
Chemist 40,000.
Any amount of talk, your corporate.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Who's it?
Good afternoon, bros.
Mama, afternoon.
The Lord God is working in this store. See the way they boom all day.
Where? Oh.
I gotta get power. Oh.
It's a big business.
How be small?
And how can you Munich Biamu?
Oh yeah. Tell them why we from.
We are from Board of Eternal Revenue, Zone 4, Episode 5 of the Board of Trustee. We collect revenue from the taxpayer of the tax collector.
Yes,
from
sir.
people like you, man.
So we dey collect tax from each store. Now government approve us. With government approve. So like this Okada banana 10,000.
What be 10,000? Do you know if you have paid for the past 2 years? Have you been paying?
Have you been paying?
But I never seen this kind of face before.
The God will make this store the fool. Nancy make we know the consistent. But things are very difficult in the country now. So we need to follow everywhere to him a living.
Yes,
if
sir.
not, if we not collect better money, you go kill us.
Record that down. Record that name. What is your name?
Now, victory, man.
10,000 naira, madam.
I better not get that kind of money.
By yourself, they pack your things into house.
Daddy, help we.
Pay this store.
Okay, wait now. Wait.
Which one be wait?
May I give you 200 naira?
To what thing?
May I pay 200 naira? Not be taxed on that bill.
200. How much for one burger? Why you behaving like this? Why you behaving like
Okay, how much? How much you say, man?
10,000 naira. They know the price down.
And you never pay for many years.
Are you tired? You go pay, you not pay.
Okay, I'll pay, but I not get that kind of money.
Who can't down 10,000 naira? Madam, transfer now. I'll pay the user. Which one?
Okay, I'll pay. May I give you 4,000?
What is the name of this street?
Now, Iman Swan Street.
Iman Swan.
Caravan 2, Imaswan Street.
Bros, now 4,000 I'll pay. I better call me your account number.
Balance it. Why you dey delay?
If I buy bad or not write this thing, you don't over. Oh.
May I pay 4,000 now?
If I submit your name now, if we come here now, we are locking the store.
780
Oh, I better they call like it.
266 90 50 18. The one you see very cheap about there.
Put this thing join now.
Charges so.
Charges.
I don't send them.
Man, see now. See the flash am.
Allah.
Oh, wow.
You go wale.
So now they beat you now. Now this afternoon they collected 10,000 naira.
Today now 23. Next month 22 will be here. The following month 21 will be here.
Not today I started the step from
Any burger for boy.
I better go. Which burger be that one?
So I will already start you now. Next month will come. Thank you, eh? That is making it number 2. Hey, Bala, this job show 20K.
Me will go for my own thing.
You see what thing? Don't go they follow my back, go they do this business, oh. And so your be.
They can quick get update. If you know here say we enter to now, they rush the
No, they rush.
Why you behaving like this? As Nigeria get free or rich, you know they settle to know better.
Sorry,
Why you dey behave like this?
My brother.
who not a fan?
What am I? We are from Board of Eternal Revenue, Trustee, Episode 2, Chapter 3, -40 consequences 8.
For which village?
From which village? We don't see Board of Eternal Revenue, can't collect tax to the house village.
I just tired. Now we be task force. Now we dey collect tax from each stores.
Task. You know where una console.
See this woman.
Is that a word of threat or what? Do you know I can put Tinubu company on a shut down now as I'm standing before you?
You know who they here.
Can I see your ID card?
ID card. When they say where would they collect money, they come. Fear not let anybody say they want collect ID card from us. Now you call it to show who wants ID card.
Based on who I be.
Who you be? Who you be?
Don't let me come my husband for you.
No. If I paro knife, now the police they follow me. The way you stand, I will just slap you.
Leave her. Call your husband.
Honey,
What's your name?
ask your head.
Even if you accept to pay, I will not collect any money from you.
Honey! What's the name? I better see this motion I said so.
What's going on? What's going on here? What's going on?
We are from Board of Eternal Revenue, Episode 4, Chapter 2. Akuku Edo.
These are government officials now. Why they chat for them?
know?
Let's chat for them. You put this respect.
I wanted to talk. Talking anyhow.
I agree, man, not best. When I come to about this day for the
The
East,
same bed sleep together.
Look at the way you are even.
Now, Pierre, come on, your bed was for you.
She said,
Balance.
this time for your face.
You chop your eye.
Look at me anyhow like that.
Balance.
Buy your
Look at woman, yes.
Sorry, sir.
Kàbẹ́ de fẹ́ nu wà lè sọ onísọ̀kò rẹ.
Èyí ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìpẹ́nu sọ̀wọ́
What carry yourself on this side?
Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó tá ìjẹun tẹ bẹ́ẹ̀.
àtọ́mọ̀.
People are good.
Going to talk to mom and every beer come for now. What are they drink?
Any beer, anything.
All brands.
All brands.
See the way this woman, they want 4 person hand.
Now your husband made the look. If not, you want piano, but you want piano.
Yo, boy, my brother.
How you press it?
Oh, sir, you press. You want press my sashik there? You calm down, huh? I better drink beer. Now my sashik get away for her. That's my cup bear for here now. Now to the government worker in need respect. Okono, when you go say I'm ready, so I go calm down here.
This man understand women.
Yes.
Yes, very nice man.
You know my brother. I na agwan gbe. We we beer can. Ya agba le chicken. And mo be wa ya ri yo. Chicken. I dey say government workers. Ani me gwalo, o me pay na. What dey do we? Take her easy with her. I will pay the bill.
No problem.
Everywhere good.
What other that?
I dey come, let me go and bring the turkey and the chicken. Man, I enjoy. I dey come and bring the chicken come.
All right, sir. This man is very generous.
Let me separate free.
Chelsea, you know Chelsea. This job we are cashing out.
We are doing it till we back.
He's a old age.
Hey, bring me now. Are you here?
I don't know. Chicken and beer. Oh, René Biara.
Hold it up. What do you say you use yours now?
What are we trying to revenue episode?
Wrong identification. And the present chairman of Bottom General Revenue. Hey, come back here, man. You show me that sign, man. You are a scammer.
Is it the intruder?
Yeah, why no? When? Take it.
That you say will be used against you in the court of law.
You survive on you. You survive on you. Take it. Move.
Scammer.
Enter this photo.
Share, like, follow, comment.